F major scale tone triads on strings 4 through 2. Here are natural notes from F to F on the 4th string. This is F at the 3rd fret. F, G, A, B, all whole steps. B to C is a half step. Then C to D is a whole step, D to E is a whole step, and E to F is a half step. To correct those intervals to make a major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4 should be a half step. 3 to 4 should be a half step. So F to G, G to A work for the F major scale, but for steps 3 to 4, rather than to B, it needs to be a half step, so to B flat. So if the F major scale, B is flat. That also corrects the interval from scale tone 4, B flat, to scale tone 5, C. And then C to D for 5 to 6 is a whole step, and D to E for 6 to 7 is a whole step, and E to F for scale tone 7 to 1 is a whole step. Then harmonizing in thirds on the 3rd string, playing scale tones 3 through 3, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, G, A, we get major thirds on tones 1, 4, and 5, and minor thirds in the rest. So F, major third, scale tone 1. G and A, those are the tones on the 4th string, minor thirds, scale tones 2 and 3. Then with scale tones 4 and 5 on the 4th string, they're harmonized with major thirds. And for scale tones 6 and 7 on the 4th string, they're harmonized with minor thirds, then major third on 1. So again, it's major on 1, 4, 5, and minor on the rest, making the pattern major, minor, minor, major from 1 to 4, then a whole step to 5, and major, minor, minor, major from 5 up to 1. Harmonizing the F major scale in triads, 3-note chords, adding the 2nd string scale tone 5, C, through C, with the B flat, C, D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, harmonizes like this. F major, scale tone 1, major triad, scale tone 2, G minor triad, scale tone 3, A minor triad, scale tone 4, B flat major triad, scale tone 5, C major triad, scale tone 6, D minor triad, scale tone 7, E diminished triad, which is D minor with a flat 5, and then scale tone 1 or 8, F major triad. So the thirds at steps 1, 4, and 5 now become major triads at 1, 4, 5, and the thirds at steps 2, 3, and 6, which were minor, now become minor triads at 2, 3, 6. But the minor third at 7 becomes a diminished triad at 7.